A very good afternoon to you and many thanks for joining us. You're watching news updates coming to you live on Politics and Business Television Abuja. I am Omike Joseph Matthew. Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Federal High Court in Abuja has granted bail to former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami in the sum of 200 million naira, pending his trial over alleged 8.7 billion naira money laundering charges filed by the federal government. Malami and his co-defendants are required to provide 2 sureties each in the same amount as part of the bail conditions. In her ruling on Friday, Justice Abdulmalik ordered that the sureties must own developed landed properties in Maitama or Asokoro, with the documents to be verified by the Deputy Chief Registrar of the court. The sureties are also required to depose to affidavits of means. Additionally, the defendants must deposit their international passports with the court and are barred from leaving the country without the court's permission. They and their sureties are also required to submit 2 recent passport photographs to the courts. A yet-to-be-identified armed group has claimed responsibility for the deadly attack on Igoshi, a community in Goza local government area of Borno State, where scores of soldiers and civilians were reportedly killed and more than 300 people abducted on Wednesday night. The terrorists were said to have stormed the community, set a military base on fire, and burnt homes and shops while shooting sporadically. In a video obtained on Friday, 5 members of the group declared their intention to seize control of the area and said they planned to celebrate the coming Eid al-Fitr in the community's central mosque. Speaking in Hausa in the video, one of the men admitted that the attackers beheaded men and women during assaults and abducted many residents with the aim of turning them into slaves. The group also threatens to expand its attack to Maiduguri and Abuja. Videos released by the group reportedly showed scenes of killings, including the beheading of young men and democratic process and rebuilding trust ahead of the 2027 general elections. Amupetun made the remarks on Friday in Uyo while addressing INEC staff at the Commission's Secretariat after inspecting the nationwide continuous voter registration exercise in parts of Akwa Ibom State. Amupetun also disclosed that the Commission plans to work with the National Population Commission and other relevant agencies to identify Nigerians who have reached voting age and encourage them to register. He further revealed that INEC would conduct a voter revalidation exercise to ensure an accurate register, noting that the names of deceased persons and other ineligible individuals will be removed from the voter database. The Jigawa government has dismissed 22 vendors and companies involved in the ongoing Ramadan Iftar feeding program over allegations of cheating, poor food quality and quantity, and questionable financial practices. The action announced by the state government is part of efforts to ensure transparency and accountability in the initiative designed to provide meals for vulnerable citizens during the holy month of Ramadan. The program, launched by Umar Namadi, aims to feed about 7.9 million beneficiaries through 643 meal centers across Jigawa State. However, less than 2 weeks after its launch, supervisory reports and field monitoring uncovered serious misconduct by some vendors following public complaints. In a statement issued in Dutse, the Commissioner for Humanitarian Affairs and Special Duties, Awolu Sankara, said the companies were removed for gross misconduct, mismanagement of public funds, and poor executions of the program. And that's all we have for you at this time. I am Omike Joseph Matthew. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.